y'all see the news where the big dumb motherfucker was at the laundromat and playing peekaboo with the baby? And the stupid motherfucker put the baby in the washer and the damn thing started filling up. Well, this dumb fucker didn't know how to stop the washer. The manager had to unplug the shit from the simple ass. He just stood there looking inside the washer like this, like he was watching a motherfucking movie. So, for all you dumb asses, Ruby going to provide training that this ignorant shit never happens again. You see this shit here? It's for your funky ass clothes, not for stuffing babies in. This motherfucker spins round and round, gets hot as a motherfucker. It tumbles up and down, up and down. The damn thing fills up with water. This is what Ruby referred to as an asshole moment. I wish the baby could stuff his big rusty ass in the machine. Tell me what you think about this fucking shit. Hit me up on YouTube and comment if you have a point that I missed or don't agree with.